আমরা জানি যে গতকালকে যে জিনিসটা ছিল এটা পুরো বাঙালি জাতির জন্য একটা হার্ট ব্রেকিং জিনিস। সো এই সিরিজ উইনটা সম্পূর্ণ তাদের জন্য। আমরা হয়তোবা জানি যে যাদের এই জিনিসটা গিয়েছে তাদেরকে আমরা কিছু দিয়ে পূরণ করতে পারবো না, বাট অ্যাটলিস্ট আমাদের পক্ষ থেকে এই সিরিজটা তাদের জন্য।
Dutch Bangla player of the match, there are quite a few in contention, but the person who stood out for us commentators educating, it was Zakir Ali. 55 or 48 balls, 1, 4, 5 sixes. What a fantastic innings. When Bangladesh were down and out, they'd lost a few wickets. He really put up his hand and played a wonderful innings. Zakir, if you'd like to come across, please. Congratulations, well done, because you and Sheikh Mahdi really turned things around. It was quite a difficult time for the team at that point.
Yeah, it's quite difficult. We losing early wickets, and I just talked to Sheikh, just play normal cricket, but he take chances, and I just try to supporting him.
No, you're not supporting, you're leading. There's no question about that. 5 sixes, you must have enjoyed it, and you really selected your shots very well.
Yeah, I think this is my plan. The situation. I just try to, take the game deep, and waiting for my zone balls.
Right, okay. So once you're done with that, when you defended, your bowlers needed to come up, and that was very nice of them to get early wickets.
Yes, bowlers doing exceptionally well throughout the series. So they are doing really good work for us. And that's a great game today. And Pakistan also, they played really well. They played hard cricket. But it's all about winning and losing. And we had the last laugh.
Well done today. Carry on the good work.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Zakir Ali, the man of the match. Okay, it's the winning captain, Liton Kumar Dash. Would you like to come across, please? Congratulations. 2 back-to-back series wins. Mammoth effort from your team.
Definitely. My team played really well. At the moment when we lose the toss, we not bat well in the power play, a couple of wickets. But the way Sheikh Mahdi and Zakir batted is amazing to watch.
It was amazing to watch, and at a time when Zakir Ali and Mahdi put up that partnership, your team was faltering a bit, wickets were falling at regular intervals, and that middle part was so very crucial.
Yeah, when we see the wicket, it's look like 130, 40 wickets. So we all know anything 130 we can defend. They batted really well, exactly. If you saw, we bowl also very good, the 10 to 12 overs.
You bowled very well, 15 for 5. Would you think that after getting 5 wickets for 15 runs and letting them come so near, was that, a lapse of something?
See, when the ball was new, it's more difficult to bat in this pitch. When the ball was little bit wet, it comes easy to the bat. But after 12 over, we didn't execute our plan, and couple of shots mistake in the field. So that's cost little bit. That's why the game was deeper.
Well, nevertheless, well done today. Magnificent effort. Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you
Best
very
of
much.
luck.
And one more thing, just saying in Bangla.
অবশ্যই।
আমরা জানি যে গতকালকে যে জিনিসটা ছিল এটা পুরো বাঙালি জাতির জন্য একটা হার্ট ব্রেকিং জিনিস। সো এই সিরিজ উইনটা সম্পূর্ণ তাদের জন্য। আমরা হয়তোবা জানি যে যাদের এই জিনিসটা গিয়েছে তাদেরকে আমরা কিছু দিয়ে পূরণ করতে পারবো না, বাট অ্যাটলিস্ট আমাদের পক্ষ থেকে এই সিরিজটা তাদের জন্য।
Wonderful emotion. অনেক ধন্যবাদ Liton Kumar Das just saying that because the events of yesterday, he and his team have dedicated this win to the dearly departed, and he's hoping that the injured recover very, very quickly.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T-Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.